There are so many different types of lunges out there. Let's do a basic lunge and talk about safety tips. So when I open up my legs, I want the hips open to a natural position. I don't want the legs crisscrossed. So legs open, hip wide, knee over ankle or slightly behind is safest. Now, when we go down and we come up, most of the weight is in the front heel of the foot. Don't push the weight forward over the big toe. Use your butt, use your glutes as elevators. You should be able to see your big toe on your lowest position on your down. On your down, you should be able to see your big toe. Focus on keeping your posture, squeezing up through the rear end, and making sure that that weight's coming off that front heel. If you're doing walking lunges, you should do the same basic technique. Use the front heel, squeeze the buttocks, and push the body up, keeping that knee safe. I'm gonna do a couple of more so that you can see my range of motion. Keep that chest up, great posture. Awesome job. Hopefully you're getting the basics. Until next time, lunge safety.